Braadkyaas Jamiekan now give the news in the Jamaican language.
Wagwan people, this is Kadeen Marshall and me go give the news rundown in a Jamaican. First, me give the headline them. 45,000 doses of the Pfizer vaccine coming to Jamaica. Prime Minister Andrew Holness say I beg the teacher them and the rest of the people them who working at the school them for take them vaccine if them not do it already. Some tests where them do on the police woman gun shows that she bust some shot the night when the ritual killing them gone at the Pathway International Kingdom Restoration Ministries in a Montego Bay, St. James. Make sure you follow our YouTube page Braadkyaas Jamiekan for hear more news and like the video after you done listen. Now for the full tour of them. 45,000 doses of the Pfizer vaccine coming to Jamaica. The government for Suriname give Jamaica and it reached around 10 p.m. Wednesday at the Norman Manley International Airport in Kingston. On top of that, 145,000 doses of the Pfizer vaccine supposed to come this weekend. From 10 a.m. yesterday, people who forget them second dose of the vaccine can make them appointment on the Ministry for Health website. The ministry said they're going to start give people them second joke of the Pfizer come Monday. Prime Minister Andrew Holness say I beg the teacher them and the rest of people them who work in at the school them for take them vaccine if them not do it already. Like out 376 primary school are going to back on November 8th. Him say him beg the school teacher them for take the vaccine, especially if them have underlying sickness. 45,390 picnic are go there in a class with 2,520 teachers. According to Prime Minister Holness, like our school at home back, the teacher them have got talk and touch the student them, and most of the picnic them not vaccinated, and they might have the virus and not show a symptom. So it better if the teacher them go take the vaccine. Some tests of them do on the police woman gun shows that she bust some shot the night when the ritual killing them go on at the Pathways International Kingdom Restoration Ministries in a Montego Bay, St. James. One man did get killed in the ritual and one woman, Tanika Garden, did get her throat cut. Some report as the spent shell them where the police take up on the scene match the police woman gun. 2 men dead in a one car accident on the Greenvale Main Road in a Mandeville, Manchester on Wednesday. The dead man them are 36 years old Marvin Thompson and 28 years old Odain Anson. The two of them come from St. Elizabeth. According to the police report, the 2 men did travel in a one Honda CRV when it crashed in a one truck. The accident gone little before 7 o'clock. Police put out one Ananda alert for 14 years old twin sister Jacia and Jacian Brown. The 2 of them come from Jericho in Hanover. The 2 of them missing from September. Jacia and Jacian dark and slim and about 5 feet long. According to the report from the Sandy Bay Police, people lost Jacia and Jacian at them yard. Nobody no see or hear from them after that. Nobody no know what them did happen when them go missing. The Sandy Bay Police asked anybody who know which part Jacia and Jacian Brown there for call them pan 876-953-5312-119 or the nearest police station. Now for sports. The Jamaican government turned back them decision for not have people in the National Stadium for when the man football team are going to play them World Cup qualifying match against America on November 16. The government and the Jamaica Football Federation, JFF, keep one emergency meeting and them get the go-ahead for have 5,000 fully vaccinated fans come watch the team play. The match are going to kick off on 5 p.m. November 16 are one big day in a Jamaica football history. Because Panda Day there, in 1997, the country did qualify for them first and only World Cup what did keep in France. People, remember the curfew from 8 p.m. in the night to 5 in the morning. Me name Kadeen Marshall and that are the news rundown in a Jamaican.
Braadkyaas Jamiekan just give the news in the Jamaican language.